Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 1 Mark VI, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the hotspot toggle. For me, it is right over here. Once you see it, if you're doing this the first time around, you want to hold the toggle, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Now, the reason you want to navigate into the settings is because under hotspot password, number one, you will find the randomly generated password. Without navigating here, you have no way of knowing what it is set to. And number two, I just recommend actually getting rid of it and setting up your own new password. So that's what I'm going to do. Now, your password will need to have at least 8 characters in length. Once that's the case, you can click on OK, and that will automatically save the changed password. Now, there's also additional options in here, which I recommend keeping as they are set by default, as this will ensure that your hotspot works with the widest array of devices out of the box. If you change, for instance, something like the AP band, so use only 2.4 gigahertz, this actually isn't that bad. By turning this off, you can use the 5 or 6 gigahertz. Actually, let's see this. Okay, so it doesn't really give me any options additionally here, but it looks like it actually gives me all the options. Now, there is one thing that I'm going to mention. If you don't see your hotspot at all once you actually enable your hotspot on the other device, you might need to toggle this on. It supposedly uses 2.4 for hotspot, but it kind of is misleading when it says also use 2.4 only. So it uses, if I'm understanding this correctly, it's using all of these, so 5 gigahertz, 6, and 2.4, which I kind of doubt. So if you have any kind of problems with the hotspot not being visible, you might want to toggle that on. But anyway, I'm gonna just leave this now, and whenever you want to enable your hotspot, find the toggle and simply tap on it. This will obviously enable it. Now in the settings, there is an option to automatically turn off hotspot after 10 minutes of inactivity, which I recommend keeping, as if you forget about it, it will just run indefinitely in the background and consume more of your phone's battery. Obviously not the thing that you'd probably want to have happen to you, just wasting battery for no reason. And additionally, you don't need to wait that 10 minutes to turn it off. You can just do it yourself by tapping on the toggle once again. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.